How's it going, everyone? Rich here in the studio, and I wanted to create a video to let you all know about all of the exciting new features and developments that we've been putting into the CreateScene platform recently. Now, a lot of you may have seen CreateScene as a desktop site on createscene.com, but if you're new to it, we are now available as both an Apple and an Android app. So if you go into your phone and search for CreateScene, you can now download and use CreateScene as an app. We have also introduced some brand new features into the platform. Now, the first thing you might notice is that we have renamed the newsfeed The Stage. That's because it's not just a feed, it's a place for you to share your content with your audience, a place to be seen and heard and celebrated. So that's why it's called The Stage. You can view it in list view like this, or you can switch to grid view and see all of the posts condensed in a waterfall effect that you can scroll through much easier. We've also created a top friends feed. Now, if you want to filter whoever it is that is your top friend and see their posts rather than seeing thousands of posts on the stage, you can go into connections. You can see who is your top friends by clicking this star here, add to the top friends, whoever you want, as many as you want, and go back into the stage, go back into top friends, and you can then see their posts in the feed as well. We have also introduced scenes. So when you sign up to the platform, you can tick which scenes you're part of, and there's all of the different scenes in the art scene, in the beauty scene, craft, dance, so on and so on, that you can tick that you're part of. Scenes feed is a global community feed where you can all contribute to the scenes that you're interested in. So if I want to see the posts from the scenes that I'm part of, for example, the pop art painting scene, I can click on that and all of the posts that have been tagged by that will appear here. If I want to contribute to that, I can go in to create a post, I can tick the scenes, I can scroll down from all the scenes that I've ticked that I'm interested in, I can tag the one that I want to share a post to and then share it, and it will appear in the pop art scenes or whichever scene you want to share it to. So people all over the world can contribute, get inspired, and connect that way as well. Another big feature that we have introduced is profile customization. Now, in order to see different profile designs, you just go onto different profiles and you can see the customization in action and how it's been designed and looking cool. So that's the CreateScene page, this is the news page. You can see they all look different. If I want to go onto my profile, I go onto my icon at the top here, click on that, and you can see that I've already designed mine. But what I would do is I would click on this button here, customize profile. It goes through to the settings where you've created this page here. You can upload background images and banner images. Once you've picked the ones that you want, save changes, and then go up to the top and it's created a color wall button. If I click on that and I want to generate the colors from my banner image to be able to put into my icons, my username and buttons and everything, click generate from banner image. It scans the picture and pulls out the key colors from that. I can then select one of the colors, it's copied that to the clipboard. I can then go in here, paste that, and go down, save it, and you'll be able to see that that has now picked out that color from the color wall. If I go back to my profile design, I can see that that has picked out the color and made the badges there. So you can create unique profile designs using the tools on CreateScene to make it look however you want to look. We have also added brand new networking tools that make it so much easier to find the kind of people that you want to make friends with or connect with or collaborate with. Just go into the networking tools on the left hand side and you'll be able to see all of the different search features. So if I wanted to find people in Brighton, for example, who are in the art scene, I can include my connections, or I can find people that I'm not yet connected to, but I'll do this and then click search, and all of these people you can see are in Brighton and they are part of the art scene. So if you want to search for people via interests, via gender, via age, name, however you want to do it, whatever kind of scene that you're trying to connect with, you can use these networking tools with no limitations, no paywalls, make as many connections as you want, and make it really, really simple to find the people that you want to make friends with, collaborate with, work with, and create with. We have also recently added a blog type feature called Stories, where you can share content, whether it's a long format story, a piece of poetry, an interview, a zine. You can go on and create it like you would a blog post and share it into the stories section. You can see the recent stories on the left-hand side, and you can then click on it, read it, and scroll through like you would the news feed. If I want to see this post, it's an interview that I did. It's posted like a blog, and I can read other people's zines, interviews, stories, and poetry. If you want to create your own, just click write a new story, and it gives you all the tools like a blog post would, where you can add images, you can change the text size, italic and bold, things like that. You can also post them out into the scene. So if I was doing an interview and I wanted to share it out like a blog post into the art scene, I can click on that, and then when I publish it, it will go onto the news feed. But if you go into recent stories, you can read all of the latest articles, news features, blog posts, and other long format text that people want to share. So there are a lot of different ways that you can use CreateScene differently from other social media platforms. Whether you want to browse the stage to see what people are sharing and get inspired, see what your top friends are up to, or browse all of the different scenes that you're part of to see what people are contributing to those global community scenes, you can go on there and use it for the stage. If you want to customize your profile and showcase your art, your creativity, or your personality, we've given you all of the tools to do that. If you want to network with people and discover people in your area, people that are sharing the same scene as you, or if you need to connect with people from different scenes, for example, if you're a model and you need to find a photographer, if you're a writer and you need to find an illustrator, whatever the collaboration is, whatever the project is, you can browse the different scenes and find the people that you want to connect with, make friends with, or collaborate with. Sign up for your free profile on CreateScene.com or download the app. You can make multiple profiles. We have a profile switcher, which makes it really easy to switch between different profiles. So if you want one to make friends and one to showcase your business and discover collaborations on, you can do that. Sign in, set up your scenes, customize your profile and make it look really cool. Start sharing your content on the stage. CreateScene is all about connecting people, sharing creativity, and trying to inspire people. So if you want to sign up, if you want to share this with your friends, please do. The more people we can get using it, the better, the more exciting it will be, and the more content there will be to browse. So go to CreateScene.com, make your free profile now, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.